I got something fun to show you guys. Thanks for tuning in. My name is Jeff, ArizonaHotHomestead, and today I got something cool to show you that I should have bought a long time ago, but I have it now. It's a cool tool. Take a look. And it makes a nice bench. So, a handle to carry. There is, and I'll give you a close-up later. There's a lever here. And when you press both in at the same time, kicks this guy out, locks in place. Do the same thing to the other side. You got two benches. Then you also have piece right here. Now again, I'll show you a close-up of this here in a second. But a latch here, there's some notches here, so you can adjust it at different heights. Or I could go down a little, do the other one. I guess it could be a table too, huh? Should have bought these a long time ago. It would have sure helped with my ceiling. But I still have the ceiling in the mudroom, the bathroom, and the upper part of the walls that these are going to come in handy. As well as I still have to stain my ceiling and sand it down, stain it. So that's when these are really going to come in handy. So a lot of work to do. So you have to stay. So that's the 30-inch height. So that one's probably about 15-ish. No, maybe 18-ish. So they got a step here, I guess you could use. But this is what I was doing. So these guys here is what releases it, and it tells you really basically right here. And then this one down here, there's that piece there. That's how you adjust the height. And then those notches on the side are right there. On both sides, obviously. Same scoop there. So thanks for tuning in. My name is Jeff, ArizonaHotHomestead. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to click that like, that share the video, do that bell notification, all that good stuff. So anyhow, I guess I'm done for this video. I just wanted to show you that. See you, bye, have fun.